I found a tool that says it can open any Instagram account and reveal hidden details. Honestly, that sounds like complete nonsense. So, alright, just download and install this Instagram account checking application on your PC. Once it's done, open it. Now when the app launches, you're gonna see 2 buttons on the screen. Don't overthink it, just click the first one, start your journey. Okay, new window opens up. You'll see a bunch of tools here, but there are basically 4 main features. We're going with the first one, phishing attacks. Just click it and continue. Now another window pops up. At the top, there's a text box. This is where you'll need to paste the Instagram profile link, the one you want to check. So, jump over to your browser, log into your Instagram account. Pick any profile you want to review. I'm just choosing one randomly for this. Open the profile properly. Now go up to the address bar, highlight the link, right-click, and copy it. Alright, go back to the application. Click inside that text box, right-click again, paste the link. Now hit Scan Account. At this point, the app just starts doing its thing. You don't really have to touch anything here, just give it a couple of minutes. Okay, now you'll start seeing some details show up. Basic stuff first, profile name, number of posts, followers, following and the Instagram username. Then, it goes a bit deeper. You'll see sections like active devices, security status, recent activity. Now look at the bottom right, there's a button, fetch account data. Go ahead, click that. Another window opens with a bunch of checkboxes. This part matters, just select the same options, don't mess with anything else. Done. Alright, now click Fetch Account Data again. You'll see a coding type screen pop up. Don't panic, you don't need to do anything here. Just wait, the app is running everything automatically. This might take a minute or two, so yeah, be patient. Okay, once it's finished, it starts collecting the account data. And after a few seconds, you'll see the profile info show up on the right side panel. Now quickly double check, make sure it's the same profile link you copied earlier. And yeah, that's basically it. The account review is done. You can go through the details, check activity, and see everything right there. Pretty simple process, honestly. If you found this useful, keep watching. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.